Modern physical anthropology, a major shift in approach to physical anthropology, occurred at the beginning of the 20th century with the discovery of genetics principle and of the AB of blood groups. Genetics was actually rediscovered in 1865. An Austrian monk, George J. Mondale, has formulated the first law of heredity and laid the foundation of the science of genetics. His findings were almost entirely ignored at the time, and in 1900s, three other European botanists arrived at the same conclusion that Mondale has published 35 years earlier, and in researching the literature on the subject they found his work. Genes are the units with 6 cells, such as the sperm and eggs, that transmit specific hereditary traits from one generation to the next. The study of inherited traits has become essential to anthropologists in seeking to understand human variations and differences between races. Genetics has modified the theories of progressive evolution somewhat, because it has been shown by experiments that there are many genetic reversions. That is, reversions back to the trend and the characteristics to be discarded in the hereditary process. Early in the 20th century, another Austrian, a physician named Karl Landsteiner, discovered the blood groups or type known as OA, B, and AB. This led anthropologists to investigate blood differences among the races. They had noticed that certain races and the subraces has particular distributions of one or another blood type. This has enabled scientists to categorize the races, and since blood types are genetically determined, to trace early migration patterns.